Alright, this is Sunny's first Christmas present. Come on, Sunny.
Sunny.
Come here, Sunny. I don't have it. I don't have it.
There you go. Do you want it? Do you want it? Huh? Do you want it? Huh? Do you want it? There you go.
You didn't tell her to sit.
Oh. You do. Sit. Sit. Good girl.
That's a good girl. All
Merry
right.
Christmas.
This is Sunny's first bone.
I hope she likes them.
Do we like bones? Well, if she's not going to eat it, she will play with it, so... Merry Christmas, Sunny!